Hey everyone! Today I'm going to be painting this dahlia. And before we get started, I wanted to mention that we'll have all the products and paint colors I'm using listed down in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. To start my dahlia, I'm going to add petals to the center of where my flower will be. I'm adding these pointed petals in kind of a star shape, and then I'm going to continue adding more petals around in the gaps of the previous layer, but I'm not too worried about keeping my petals completely even as I go around, just because I'll add more petals where I need them to make the flower look more rounded. Next, I'm adding this Dahlia Bud, but this flower is going to be facing away from me, which is why I'm leaving the center empty. I'm going to come back to this in a minute. Next, I'll add in another bud, but for this one we're going to be seeing the side of the flower, so it'll take on a different sphere-like shape. Now I'm going in and adding my stems and leaves. Dahlias have these really thick stems on their main flowers, and then the buds have smaller stems, so that's why my main stem looks the way it does. Next, I'll be adding in the leaves. I'm just getting the base layers in for now, and then I'll go back and add in details once this layer has dried. Next, I'm going in with my round size 0 brush and adding in some details to the center of my dahlia petals just to give them more definition and texture. Last, I'll go in and add some lines to my leaves to finish off this painting. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please hit that thumbs up button. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. I post a new watercolor video every Wednesday. I also have a free 21-day watercolor challenge that you should definitely join. It's 21 days of techniques, watercolor warm-ups, simple projects, and color mixing delivered straight to your inbox. I'll leave a link down in the description box below to sign up if you're interested. Thanks again for watching. Bye!